All right, guys, here's number 7 for section 6-2. All right, this is what we're given. We need to find this angle, and side B. All right, first thing we need to know, this is a parallelogram. C and D are diagonals of a parallelogram. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, so I looked that up. So this tells me that this distance is 12.5 and this one is 17.5. All right, so that's going to help me because now let's see what we can get. I can get side B. Well, let's do this. I'm going to go 15 squared equals 17.5 squared plus 12.5 squared minus 2 times the cosine, and I'm going to call this Q just because. Cosine of angle Q. All right. Once I find that, so I can do all my math, and now I'm going to get angle Q to equal something. All right, that helps me because now I have this angle R, let's say, is going to be 180 minus Q, and that's going to give me my R value. That helps because now if I have this side, this angle, and this side, I can find B. All right, so that gives me side B. So using these 3 measurements, because these are half, because they bisect each other, I have 3 sides I can find Q, which helps me find R because these are next to each other, 180 degrees. Once I have R, I have a side, angle, side, which helps me find B using the law of cosines. Once I get side B, now I have a side, and a side that'll help me find this angle. And once I find that angle, these 2 angles, let me get a different color, this angle and that angle add up to 180 degrees. That's how we're doing it. I didn't do any math, but hopefully that's enough to get your idea. The important thing, the diagonals are going to bisect each other because it's a parallelogram, which gives us 12.5 and 17.5 for these 2, which help us 3 sides, gives us this angle, which helps us find this angle, which helps us find this side. And once I have this side, I have 3 sides. I can find this one and subtract it from 180 and I get that. All right? A lot of little things, and I hope that helps.